In this session, we are going to learn the table-driven pattern in the SolidWorks. Here is a body with a circular hole as a feature. Go to table-driven pattern. To create the table-driven pattern, first of all, you have to input the coordinate system anywhere in this body. After that, you have to select the body face or feature to copy or the pattern. To create the pattern, you have to create the table here. You have to input the x and y values. First of all, let's create the coordinate system. Cancel it. In the drop down menu of the reference geometry, you will find the coordinate system. In selection box, first of all, you have to select the origin. Select any point. I am going to select this point as the origin. And for the x-axis, select any edge. I am going to select edge in the direction. You can alter the direction by clicking here. In the y direction, select this line, and in the z direction, I am going to select this vertical line. You can alter any direction. I am going to create like this. Okay. Now after the insertion of the coordinate system, go to table driven pattern. Now coordinate system is already created. Select it, clear it. You can simply select by clicking here also. In feature to copy, select this hole as a feature. Now the 0 point is created by default. Let's create some instances. 0, 0 is the origin point. You can change it. To provide the data, double click here in the table. Provide, let's say 20. Now the first copy of this feature is created in 20 mm x direction and 20 mm in the y direction. Let's provide other data. This 20, this one is, let's say 60, this one is again, let's say 40, let's say 60, and this one is 20. Again, let's say this one is 60 and this one is again 60. In this way, it will create the table driven pattern with a reference to this input data. Click OK. Now the table driven pattern is created. Go to table driven pattern again and edit the feature. This time we are going to apply the saved text file. You can browse it from here. Simply click browse. I have selected the text file in the desktop. Select the file type and select the file and click open. Now in this text file there is already created these data, so after browsing this data it automatically created the pattern. Click OK. Again go to the edit feature. Here is another option, selected point, save as in the other patterns. You can select any reference point. With the help of this reference point, it will create the pattern. Or you can select the point, or you can create any sketch point here and select the reference point. This time I am going with centroid. In this way, the table driven pattern works. This much for today. Thank you for your time.